Hi everyone, this is Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. Today is July 22nd. It's Wednesday afternoon. This will be Charm Chatter number 76. And I'm in the yarn room today. Yay, I like being in the yarn room to do videos particularly. But it's getting a bit crowded and I got another box of yarn. Ooh. Sorry. Not sorry. Who am I kidding? I'm not sorry. But I would like to thank everyone for coming today and joining me here in the yarn room. Let's see. I would like to thank my current subscribers for being here and commenting and liking and sharing and watching and being part of my yarn journey. I would like to thank any new subscribers for coming back. Well, all of you for coming back. If you're new to my channel and this is your first visit, hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share. I do read all the comments. I will heart them all. I don't actually respond to some things. I mean, some things you can't respond to. So, do you want to see what I bought? I'll show you. First of all, this is the box. It looks bigger on the screen than what it really is. But Premier had a clearance and free shipping, I think. So I ordered because why not, right? So let's see what I got. Uh-oh. I thought I could get into it. I can almost get into it. Okay. Oh. I just saw something I don't even remember putting in the box. Did they add free stuff? No, sure not. Oh, you guys. Okay, let's see. I don't see it. Okay. Paperwork. Let's see what I got here. This is going to tell me what I bought and the price of it. So let's see. I bought some cotton fair. I think I fixed this button that it should be right to you guys. So anyway, I bought this cotton fair. These were, I think, 3 for $8, and then I believe there was a discount of 20, 35, 15, some percentage off. I had some percentage off of all my sale items. I don't remember what the percentage was. I think maybe it was 20. I'm probably 20-ish% off of everything. So I got this for less than the $8 that the bag said it was. And this is the color Valentine. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this yarn, but it's so pretty. It's thin. It's like a number 2, I believe, weight yarn. And I've started to make things out of it. Haven't finished anything out of it yet. Jeannie from On the Hook Crochet uses it quite a bit. But I did like these colors, and like I said, I have some, but now I definitely have enough that I can even, make for sure a shirt or something for myself, clothing, because it's 100, or maybe not 100% cotton, but I think it's 100% cotton. No, sorry, I lied. It's 52% cotton and 48% acrylic, and it is machine washable. Don't iron. It says don't tumble dry. Probably not because it's got the cotton in there. It's 317 yards each skein. But aren't the colors pretty? I just really like the colors. So I bought more because I had it. And it was on sale 3 for $8 less some percentage. And so then I also bought more of this color of the same yarn. And this color is called Cotton Candy. I do have 4 granddaughters. These are the perfect colors for granddaughters, right? Not that I make them too many clothes or much of anything, to be honest, because they're not rolling into it. They also had, oh goodness, I remember buying, I thought more than this. Don't sneak peek at that. Oh, I guess I only got 2 of these. I got the Rodeo and Rodeo is also a cotton yarn. It's a 4-weight cotton, so I got these 2 colors. This one actually, oh, maybe it is purple. I did buy purple. Of course I bought purple. Let's see. It is Okay, this color is called light purple, so it's a marl purple and white, and this one I think is called light red. At one point I had them in my cart and they had like white to red, red to white, like 3 different colors of it, and I thought, oh, that would be cool to maybe do like dishcloths or face cloths and towels. I know Pam from Pamela's Adoring Crochet or Creations. She made tops out of this yarn, but it reminds me of like the dishcloth yarn. She made tops out of it, and she loves wearing those tops. So it's 85% cotton and 15% polyester. And there are 265 yards in each skein. In each skein. And these were bags of 3 for $6. And those also had that percentage off. Everything I think I bought had that extra percentage off, which was pretty awesome. So let me throw these on the floor down here. I'm going to have to do some remodeling in the yarn room to fit the yarns I've recently purchased. So then I bought some Premier Anti-Pilling. Look at how pretty that is. This color is, sure, I really don't want to take them out of the bag, you know. This color is called Aqua, and these are the they're 78 yards, 80 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 100% anti-pilling acrylic, and it is the Everyday Bulky. It's very soft, because I have some of this in other colors. So I bought this color, the Aqua, the purple, and the pink, which are called, the pink is called, let's just see here, the pink is called Pink, very good, and the purple is called Lavender. And actually, guys, I think I have this in bright orange, which won't match these at all, but like, I kind of like those together for like maybe a baby blanket. What do you think? I like them. So these were sold in bags of 3 also for $6, so $2 less the percentage off, so less than $2 a skein. And they're a number 6 bulky. I don't know if I told you that. And you can wash and dry because they're acrylic. I was thinking either a baby blanket or hats and scarves, because it's thick bulky. I like thick bulky for scarves and cowls and things like that. Then I bought 2 of these in the same color. So you can look at one and I can look at one. And these are the Parfait. Parfait flavors. Let's see. And this colorway I think is called Spearmint. Spearmint Ice. And it is a 5 bulky. You can wash and dry. It's got free patterns. 143 meters, 156 yards, 3 ounces, 5 bulky. So I got 2 packages of these. These were $1.99, I think, each. I think they were $1.99 each. And I think, because it doesn't say bag of 3, so I think they were $1.99 each. And then you got that percentage off too, I think, as I recall. Then I bought some yarn that I have never had anything like. I don't think. I have never bought, and I don't know if this is in the same color. I imagine in the same bag it's in the same color. So let me just tell you. Yeah, these are all the same color. even though they don't necessarily look like it. And it's called color 274 Campfire. Look at that. This is Classic Shades Sequined Light, and this is a universal yarn. And I have some that are open, but let's see. Is this Campfire as well? Oh, this has a different label on it, but it's the same yarn. This one is called Volcano, so I'll show you this one up close and give you the details. But see, they got the sequins in there. Can you see sequins? Oh, yeah, maybe you can. Oh, yeah, there's one. So there's sequins in this yarn. This color is called Volcano, and it is color 403. Made in Turkey. Let's see, using 5mm hook. It's 74% acrylic, 22% wool, and 4% paillette. And it says it's a number 3. I don't know. That looks like a thick 3. Maybe it's a little bit roving. I don't know. Knit, relax, repeat. Or smile, repeat. Isn't that cute on there? So did I give you all the stats? Let's see. 3.5 ounce, 100 grams, 264 yards, 240 meters. I forgot. I knew I forgot something. So look at that beautiful color. It looks a little brighter. Actually looks a lot brighter on the camera than it is. It's a much deeper tones in real life. Isn't that beautiful? So I got 2 Volcano. What did I say they were? 264 yards. So, 528 yards of that. I did get the Campfire. I don't know why I got 4 of the Campfire and only 2 of the Volcano, but that's what I got. And then I purchased 2 in the color Atoil, Etoile, Etoile, but it's white with silver sparkles in it and a piece of cardboard box, it looks like. It is a little bit fuzzy, so I imagine that this will be hard to frog, but I like the white. It would really offset something in the darker shades, don't you think? And I have one more, and this one is not sequenced. It's the same yarn. It's not sequenced. So, it's Classic Shades, Universal Classic Shades. Look at those bright colors. Don't you love it? This color is called Neon Kaleidoscope. And you can see it differently. This is also Neon Kaleidoscope. You can see all different colors in this one than you can, and they don't even look like they're the same color. Don't do they? But I'm pretty sure that I bought. Yep. So this says 70% acrylic, 30% wool, 100 grams, 197 yards, 180 meters. Oh, this one doesn't have as much yarn in it as the others did. I thought they were the same. Oh well. I love it because I love the neon stuff. So I think if it's not too scratchy, maybe I will make a scarf for myself for winter time. It's got wool in it, and it's soft wool. It's not scratchy on me. It's like scarfy. Scarfy I think is beautiful colors, but I can't put that on my neck. It's scratchy to my neck. This does not feel that way. This had wool in it too, right? Yeah, this is 22% wool. Oh, this is even softer, even with the sequins. I could wear this on my neck. Scarfy, I can't. And I don't know why. It's soft to the touch, but I put it on my neck and it's scratchy. So I don't like to. I generally, unless I get it at a really, really good sale, I don't buy Scarfy. So that is all the new yarns I got from Premier. I got free shipping. which is one of the reasons that I would buy it. I don't pay for shipping. I would buy ice yarns like crazy because I think some of their colors are so gorgeous. And I know you can like cost average $1 per skein or whatever, but then I don't think, then you average the price of the shipping in there. I understand all the math of it, but when I see the shipping come up and it's more or as much as my yarn, I'm like, I can't do it. I can't do it. So I think I've ordered from mice once, only because it was for the yarn for my curtains, and I always have yarn in my cart there. I always go and look, and shipping kills me. I can't. And it used to be you could get 6 packages of their yarn and the shipping was $20, but that's not the case anymore. So the shipping went up, and so I get emails from them. I do go and look, I have to say, but I can't hit that. I can't push the button, as our crochet sister Linda says. I can't push the button that says purchase when I see what the shipping is. I'm like, no, can't do it. But I can order from Premier for free shipping. And I can order from, who did I had free shipping on my Spin Right stuff too. I only order with free shipping. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, the thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I do shopping hauls whenever I shop. I show you what I buy. That's all I got for you today. Nothing else. Well, no, I'm not going to do any finished objects or any of that. This is just simply yarn today. And that's what I got. But the yarn I got last time that I showed you at the camper, and then the yarn that I got the other day at Walmart and Joann's, none of that yarn is put away. I'm running out of space. I have to stop. Nope, not doing it. Okay, let's be serious. It's not going to happen. So, anyway, have a great day. I will see you the next time. I don't know when that'll be. Soon, I hope. See you, bye.